Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have a complete backup. You will remove a partition and data will be lost. Once done, open Finder Applications Utilities Disk Utility. Make sure you select View and choose Show All Devices so you can see containers and physical disks. You need to pick the correct physical drive. Don't select an app's volume inside a container. This first step prevents accidental data loss and positions you to edit partitions safely. Now you select the physical disk in Disk Utility and click Partition to edit the layout. You will see a graphical map. Click the partition you intend to remove and press the minus button. Confirm the action when prompted. Mac OS will adjust the partition map and either expand the adjacent partition or leave free space. Choose your preferred result before applying. If you're working with apps containers, remove volumes inside the container first, then adjust the container size. This ensures clean space reclamation. Finish by resizing the remaining partition or formatting the reclaimed space. Select the free space, choose Add or Resize, and apply the apps or HFS Plus format you need. Once the operation completes, restart your Mac and confirm the startup disk and all files are intact. If Disk Utility reports errors or the partitioning fails, run first aid on the disk, reboot into recovery mode and try again, or restore from your backup. These steps help recover from partition table problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.